something going on that I don't understand now. If you want to smoke, smoke. I'm not disturbing you. Smoke your smoke. But which one is? What are you? Who are you? Is it what is going to make you to? Because now they will finish taking what they want to take. Now the next thing you begin. Okay, if there are not like 5, 6, 7 people that are smoking in one joint, that's how you'll be hearing ringtone. What are you? Is it not too much? Can't you people just take it and because is your brain frying? After they finish doing, they will not be like the head have ring. The head have scattered. Spark. See them volcano engine.